Okay, sorry, Locksmith here. So we got ourselves a Jeep Cherokee. And let's see. I'm gonna do auto selection. I agree. I do have the Wi-Fi on for it. You notice it pops up automatic. Select by system, select by vehicle. I'm gonna do automatic identification. I don't want to bypass. I actually want to get the pin. I like to read the pin so I have it, and then put it on the customer's receipt. So we're going to read it. It says security and possible. So with that being said, I like to take a picture of it. Okay. Now we'll see number of keys programmed to the vehicle. We have 2. Let's go ahead and turn the key off. Insert key in the on. Press OK to continue. And 2, 1, 2. What? Darn it. Okay, it says incorrect. 3631. Says incorrect. So let's see if it'll pull up. Oh, I already know that part is successful, so we're gonna go back. Come on. So we got 6492. All right. There we go. So now let's turn around and take the other key. That one works. And I like to verify. All right, so we're good there. Now, we got that part done. And we're going to save it. I'll go back over here. Oh, sorry about that. Like I said, I've always liked the automatics. And I want to, I've already did program key. We got number of keys, 3, which is good. Come on, let me out. right. There we go. Hey, sorry about that, but we just did 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and all under 5 minutes. Hey, thanks for watching SgtLocksmith. If there's anything you'd like to see, any videos or something how to do, go ahead and shoot us an email at SgtLocksmith@gmail.com. And also, we do have other parts up of this video where we saved this customer money. They left the vehicle with us for a couple days, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos coming. Customers that leave them over the weekend and we get a chance to play with them, we'll make some videos with them. And go ahead and check out our other playlists. We do show you how to unlock vehicles besides using a leashy or doing a key make. But thanks again for watching, and give us a thumbs up, a comment, and just let us know what you'd like us to do.